Hey guys, this is Second Gen Win. Today we'll be reviewing the Beast TP-Link TAPO Wi-Fi light strip. The package basically shows all of the features of this awesome model, with the sync to sound feature, Wi-Fi control directly from the phone with no hub required. You can use Alexa or Google Assistant by voice to automatically turn it on and off, or even change color as you desire. How cool is that? Inside the box you get the RGB strip, the power cable, and the instruction paper. To connect properly, make sure you see these arrows. Scan the barcode from Quick Start Guide, then you can download the TAPO app. Now log in, otherwise sign up if you don't have an account. After that, on the top right corner, click on the plus sign to add the light strip. The steps with visuals are awesome, and big kudos to TP-Link for that. The parts are already connected, so I'll press the next step. The RGB should be showing orange and green to connect. If not, then hold the button for 10 seconds, then release to reset the RGB light. It will prompt to connect to the light strip, to configure and to connect to the Wi-Fi of your house or an office. Now I can fully control the light strip however I want. I can adjust the brightness with awesome user interface, changing colors quickly from the top, and even customize my own unique color. Now moving on to my favorite, the effects. Each effect has its unique pattern, brightness, and color change. I guess you enjoyed watching some of those cool effects, but let's say if you want to make your own effects, well, you can do it, and it is very simple. You can customize the way you want on specific blocks of the same light strip, changing the color, effects, and much more. There is more. You have the sync to sound feature and the ability to adjust the brightness and feature specific color or leave it as random. You also get an automation system where you can schedule it, add a timer, and away mode. The electricity usage is a big bonus. Thank you TP-Link for that. If you guys are interested to know more about this light strip, then the link will be on the description below. And the price for this piece is 179 dirham. Looking forward to use this for my upcoming videos. It will definitely add a nice touch to it. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace out.